You are going to work now? Today, I will be working from 3 o'clock until 11 o'clock. Actually, 11:30. I will be working in the pot wash today, so I will be a dishwasher today. Yeah, dishwasher, it's good. Dishwasher is a very important part of the kitchen. Yeah, without the dishwasher, you can't really prepare things very well. From time to time, you always need something that is clean to use for food preparation. I saw a redback spider in my bicycle. Yeah, that one. It's dead. This is a redback spider.
Oh, bro. Hey.
Very small.
Hey.
In my bike, it's hiding here. Dangerous. Yeah, when I put down my backpack, oh, there's worm. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just had my lunch. It's already almost 1:35, and I'm going to work, but I must be at work by 3 o'clock. It is hot, right? Yeah, it is almost similar to the hotness in Dubai. The only difference is that in Dubai there is no air. Yeah, that's the difference. During the summer season in Dubai, if you get out, you feel the heat of the sun and then the humidity, and almost there is no air. Yeah. Here in Australia, there is air. Yeah, a little similar to the temperature in Southeast Asia, in the Philippines, in Singapore. Yeah, same like that. But still bit better here because, you know, if you are under the shady area, like under the trees, you don't really feel the heat, and the wind is still cool. And the same like yesterday, I will be working today in the pot wash. I will be a dishwasher today. Yeah, yesterday was okay, was good. Before getting to the pot wash, I first helped the other guys with their mise en place, and then I keep on working on the pot wash. I am basically a replacement because, you know, one of the guy has just resigned, so there's no enough staff for the dishwashing, so that's why they put me there. Yesterday we are 2 in the dishwashing. Nice because it helps me to, you know, to really finish on time. We're going to stop here to buy a coffee, and then we're going to drink the coffee in the park. Yeah, I'm actually supposed to stay there, but there are people, so I'm just going to sit down here. I can see some ants, black ants that looks dangerous. In the Philippines we have the red kind of these ants. I'm still having this coffee, and yeah, coffee, I drink coffee even in this temperature. I don't know exactly what is the temperature. Let's have a look. Oh, it's 34 degrees here in Nelson Bay. And it's 26 degrees in Dubai. Wow, nice weather in Dubai these days. Yeah, because, you know, it's getting winter in Dubai. Look at that, there are so many flowers outside. Yesterday there was nothing. Yeah, flowers grows very fast. Yeah, the time now is 9:25, and today I am day off, but I have no plan. Yeah, this is the adobo that I cooked 2 days ago, and 2 pieces left. And then I add some water, and I'm going to put this more potato. I'm just going to boil this until the potato is soft. I am now cooking the rice, and yeah, we'll just be waiting. And I'm planning to go somewhere, but I'm not sure yet. I'm checking for the cheap hotel in Raymond Terrace, but I don't know. Yeah, I checked the prices of hotels in Raymond Terrace, but it's $100+ per night. Actually, hotels here in Australia are really expensive. Yeah. The cheap would be the shared one, the backpacker guest house. Those are the cheap, but if you are actually going to rent to stay in a hotel in a one room, it's more than $100. When I was in Dubai, I also stay in hotels, but they are affordable. Yeah, they are affordable. And I've never seen any backpacker hostel or guest house in Dubai. Nothing. Just hotel room, mate. We're going to put some one piece of egg. We wash this first. Look, the potato. Actually, the potato. We're going to put one piece of egg here. Yeah, the egg is cooked already, I think. Keep it there. Get some rice. And of course the egg. And this will be my brunch. Yeah, breakfast and lunch. Yeah, we're at the time now is 3:30. Yeah, we are going out later. I was just here. Yeah, just watching movie, watching YouTube. That's what I do. I have just a 1 day off. I have 2 separate days off, so this is the other one. Yeah, you know, like what I've said, I work for 2 days as a dishwasher, and yeah, last night I finished my duty at around, I mean, before 12 o'clock midnight. Yeah, and then I go straight to the center, and I come here. I noticed that there are no more people in the center during that time, 11, 12 o'clock, no more people. But last night there are some like a market. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that is what I'm going to check later on. Yeah, you know, dishwashing is really a tiring job, especially if it is in a busy kitchen. Yeah, really tiring job. You keep on moving. But you know, it's a good experience. I was working full time for 2 days. A good experience. Yeah. Yeah. When I was young, when I was living with my parents, I rarely do dishwashing. It is always my mother or my brother and sister who do the dishwashing. And then when I moved to the house of my cousin in Cainta, I am the one who do the dishwashing always. Yeah. And then when I move by myself, when I living alone, I eat outside, so I don't do the dishwashing. I always eat in Chowking, Jollibee. Yeah, those two restaurant. They have the cheapest affordable food in the Philippines. And then when I moved to Dubai, I do dishwashing in the house, but not at work, because in Dubai, most of the restaurant they have dishwasher, kitchen hand, kitchen steward, and they are usually the one who do the dishwashing and cleaning the kitchen. The job of the chef, the job of the cook, of the chef is just food preparation and cooking. Like for example, when it's time to go home, the chef will keep their things and stuff, and then the kitchen hand or the kitchen steward, they will take over the kitchen to do the cleaning of the kitchen. Yeah. In when I moved to Sydney, in Sydney it's different. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, when I first come to my restaurant in Sydney, there is just one kitchen hand, one dishwasher in every duty. Yeah, in one shift there is just one kitchen hand. His job is to do the dishwashing. Yeah, he can't go to help the chef because a lot of things to wash, something like that. And most of them are part-timers, casual, because mostly are students, and also the people who do the working holiday visa. Yeah, the people I know, there are two French. They are on a working holiday visa, and yeah, they do dishwashing for around 5 months. And then there is one Italian guy, the same. He do dishwashing for around 4 months, 5 months, and then later on he moved to the farm to do farm job. Because this kind of job is only for the locals, for the working holiday visa holder, and for the people who are already here. Yeah, this job is not considered as a skilled job, so it is not in the list of the skilled occupation list of Australia. And when I was in Sydney, I do dishwashing because sometimes the kitchen hand is absent or late, things like that. And there are no other kitchen hand to do that because there is just one kitchen hand in every ship. Yeah. And if you wait for the second ship, it will be a big mess. So I voluntary to do the dishwashing. Yeah. And it happened so many times. Yeah, I think that's it. And see you later.